flames as they dance down the hall.
Dust and dreams, they mix in the air. Every step closer, we're almost there. Started with a spark, now it's coming alive. See the heartbeat, the pulse, it thrives. Blueprints fade, we don't need lines. It's in our hands, we draw the signs. Hands in motion, time to create. No more waiting, we won't hesitate. Echoes of violins sing so loud. Our moment's here, let's shape the clouds. The earth, it shakes beneath our feet. A rhythm of struggle, the sound of defeat. But we rise again and carve our way. No more night, it's a brighter day. String by string, the sound grows clear. A melody bold that will hold near. Frames of passion built to stand. We form a future with our bare hands. Hands in motion, time to create. No more waiting, we won't hesitate. Echoes of violence sing so loud. Our moment's here, let's shape the clouds. The clouds. String by string, the sound grows clear. A melody